Here is a brief overview of CentrixOne's integrated email module. When we first click on the Emails module, we have a view on draft emails, scheduled emails, emails sent, and a summary of all emails in draft, scheduled, or sent. The Automated Emails tab contains all emails associated with automations. The Templates tab contains all templates created by all users. To create a new template, click on the Add Template button. In the Email Template Builder, we can choose to build our new template from a previous creation, or select a new template from existing CentrixOne templates. Back to my Drafts tab. I can continue editing this draft email by clicking on the image of the email, or create a new email by clicking on the Add Email button. When creating a new email, we can select a template from My Templates, CentrixOne's existing templates, or start with an empty canvas by selecting the blank template option. Let's start with an existing CentrixOne template. The name entered here, when creating a new email, is internal only, and the recipient will never see this information. To make the email private to only my user, let's uncheck the Give Access to All Users checkbox. Once we click Save, we can start editing the content. The email object here is the subject line that the recipient will see. Let's make sure we have the correct subject line. And save. There are endless possibilities to customize the template through different content blocks, row designs, and by adjusting the settings. Once the email is final, we are guided to move along the process by first choosing a list of contacts to which to send this email. Then refining our criteria. In the last step, we can choose to send the email right away, or schedule it for a later date. And that's it for a brief overview of the Emails module. Talk to us for a demo, or further training, or visit the CentrixOne Academy for more detailed guides and videos.